you ever opened the social media and after just a few minutes felt like you are behind in life? You see people our age traveling, making money, achieving big goals, and without even noticing, we start comparing ourselves to them. So today, let's talk about one simple question. Should we stop comparing ourselves to others? First, let's be honest. Comparing ourselves to others is normal. It's a human. We do it at school, at work, in sports, in life. Comparison helps us understand where we are and where we could go. So comparison itself is not the problem. The problem is how we compare, especially on social media. Sometimes comparison can actually help us. When we see someone doing better than us, it can motivate us. It pushes us forward. We start asking, what are they doing differently? What habits do they have? What can we learn from them? In this case, comparison becomes inspiration, not pressure. It reminds us that growth is possible and that we can aim higher at our own pace. But let's be real. Most of the time, comparison happens on social media, and that's where it becomes dangerous. On social media, people show their best moments, not their full lives. We see success, happiness, confidence, but we don't see the stress, the failures, the doubts. So when we compare our real lives to someone else's online life, we are comparing reality to a highlight of real. And that kind of comparison slowly hurts us. It makes us feel late, not good enough, like we are failing, even when we are actually moving forward. So should we stop comparing ourselves to others? The honest answer is no, not completely. But we must compare in a healthier way. Instead of asking, why are we not like them? We should ask, what can we learn from them? How can this inspire us? Are we better than we were yesterday? Because the most important comparison is not with others, it's with our own past selves. Here is a simple rule you can follow. If comparison motivates us, we keep going. If it will hurt our confidence, we step back. That might mean commuting accounts and following or taking a break. Not because we are weak, but because our mental health matters. Comparing ourselves to others is not always bad, but letting comparison define our value is. We all have different journeys, different timing, different challenges. We don't need to be better than everyone else. We just need to be better than we were yesterday. So maybe the real question isn't should we stop comparing ourselves to others, but instead how can we compare without losing ourselves? So next time you are scrolling through social media and that feeling of envy starts to creep in, I want you to try this. Shift from envy to curiosity. Instead of thinking, I'm not as good as them, ask yourself, what exactly do I admire about what they are doing and can I learn from it? We can stop comparing our values as a person to others, but we don't have to be afraid to compare our methods. We should use others as a compass, not a judge. What do you guys think? Does social media make comparison harder for you? Or do you find it motivating? Let's chat in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helps you out. See you in the next one.